Hello guys, how to fix KB5031356 update failed to install in Windows 10 22 H2 update. And if you are facing such issue, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is go to Windows settings, under system settings, go to troubleshoot from the right side, other troubleshooters, and run the Windows update troubleshooter. This is the first workaround. This to fix this issue. It will not only detect the issue, fix them accordingly. The next workaround to fix Windows update error is go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here go to services.msc to open services windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and here look for background intelligence transfer services, right click on it and choose a start. If you found already a start mode, then restart it. Thereafter apply a double click on it and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. The next method to fix this issue is go to Windows search, type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup and choose your drives, click OK. Sometimes low spaces may be a cause of update failed to install, so clear your temporary files recycle bin, make the check against all the options and press OK. Thereafter clean Windows distribution files, go to File Explorer, this PC, C drive, go open Windows, here look for software distribution folder, open it and open download folder and delete all the downloaded folder here to free space. The next workaround is again go to run command box, type services.msc and open services windows. Here go to Windows Update Services, right click on Windows Update Services and choose a start it. If you found it a start already, then restart it, and after that double click on it and a startup type set as automatic, press apply and OK to save the changes. That's all.